Everyone, welcome back to Tech Answer. And today we'll be doing not a review, but we'll be saying the pricings, launch date, rumors, specification, leaks, everything, and specification, features, all the things, and we'll be talking about all the things about iPhone 14 series. The leaks, rumors, everything we know so far, not the actual review that will be coming after the launch, and including the three iPad tablets, which we will be doing after the launch, if it is true that it will come. So let's begin with this news or leaks video. So Apple is expected to hold a launch event on September 7 to unveil its new iPhone 14 series of smartphones. The lineup is expected to be comprised of iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. The Cupertino company has remained tight-lipped regarding details of the upcoming smartphones. However, there have been several leaks and rumors suggesting possible specification, design details, and pricing for the handset, with the expected launch a few weeks away. And let us take a look at what we can expect from the iPhone 14 lineup. For starters, all the rumors indicate that Apple has decided to shelve the mini model with the iPhone 14 series, which is believed to feature the variant iPhone 14, 14 Max, 14 Pro, and 14 Pro Max. So let's go to the iPhone 14 series price and launch date, which is rumored.
14 series price launch date rumor. So, according to the recent report, the iPhone 14 lineup could be unveiled during a launch event on September 7. The company reportedly intend to stream the event online instead of holding it on person. The iPhone 14 price is tipped to start at 799 rupee, dollars, roughly 64,000 rupees. Meanwhile, the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max to get a $100 price hike, roughly 8,000 rupees. In comparison to last year, iPhone 13 and iPhone 30 Pro Max, when it comes to pricing, iPhone 14 Max price might be set between the regular 14 and iPhone 14 and 14 Pro. Now let's go to the iPhone 14 series specifications, features, rumor.
The iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max are rumored to feature the new Apple's A16 Bionic chip, which is said to be based on the TSMC existing 5nm process technology. Meanwhile, the regular iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro 14 Max could feature the Apple's A15 Bionic chip that powers the iPhone 13 series. And despite being equipped with the same chip, the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max are expected to get a performance boost owing to their new cellular modem and internal design. The performance disparity between the iPhone 14 Pro and non-Pro models continue with the smartphone's memory, and a report suggests that the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max are likely to feature 6 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and the Pro models could also get up to 2 TB of storage. And a past report comparatively slower 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. And that's kind of for a little more details about this specification and features.
Now, analyst Chief OES suggested that the iPhone 14 line could feature an upgrade front camera with an f 1.9 aperture lens and autofocus. Who also claimed that the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max could feature a 48 megapixel wide camera sensors on the back. The iPhone 14 is shipped with features of 6.1 inch screen, and the iPhone 14 Max could support a 6.7-inch display. The Pro models also could include an always-on display AOD feature. Purport leaked images of iPhone 14 Pro screen protector suggest that it could spot a shape cutout with a hole punch and next slot to it, and this design appears to be similar to the previous leak CAD numbers. So according to the recent report, iPhone 14 could come in black, blue, green, purple, red, and white color options. In addition, the iPhone 14 Pro is likely to offer gold, graphite green, purple, silver color options. And the report also suggests that the iPhone 14 lineup might support 30-watt charging support as well as big and heavier than MagSafe's battery. The iPhone 14 series.
The iPhone 14 series is also expected to feature the increased battery capacity. The iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max is set to carry 3279 mAh battery and 4325 mAh battery respectively. Similarly, iPhone 14 Pro could feature 3200 mAh battery capacity and iPhone 14 Pro Max may house a 4323 mAh battery. Furthermore, the Pro models could come with upgraded Lightning connectors with USB 3.0 speeds, which is 5 5 Bps. And now that's all with the video. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe.
Thanks for supporting and subscribing to the channel. That's all. My name is
My name is John. This is Tech Insider, and signing off.